All right, the next example, find the distance between the two parallel lines. Okay, now here I know that it has to be perpendicular wherever I want to find the distance, as long as the points between them have to be, that segment that's made has to be perpendicular. So if let's say I'm going to use this point right here, then this is going to be perpendicular. So that's going to be my distance. Now, this point, I know is 0, 2. This point I know is going to be 1.5, okay, 1.5, or maybe 3 over 2, same thing. 3 over 2, and right here that's going to be half. And I know that because it's halfway between these two. Okay, and same thing here. The slope is 1, so everything is going to be half. You can also, if you want, you can look at it this way. If I continue this on, then it's going to be halfway between this point right here and this point right here. Okay, the same way that this is between this halfway between this point and this point. Okay, so that's how I know it's half. So that point is 3 over 2, 1 and 1/2. So now I have to find the distance between those 2 points. Distance formula again is x2 minus x1, or x1 minus x2 squared, plus y2 minus y1 squared. So find the square root again. Okay, x2, I'm going to subtract the x's, so 0 minus 3 over 2 squared, plus 2 minus 1/2 squared. Then this is going to be 3 over 2 squared. 3 over 2 squared is 9 over 4, plus 2 minus 1/2 is 3 over 2, or 1 and 1/2. And I know that because 2 becomes 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2, right? That's 3 over 2. Squared is 9 over 4. Square root of, there's already a common denominator, so that's 18 over 4. Okay, make sure this goes all the way down. Square root of 18 over square root of 4. Square root of 18, you don't have to do the factor tree because you know that 9, a perfect square, is a factor of 18. It's going to be 3 root 2 over 2. Okay? So all you do is make sure you just have the 2 points whenever you try to find the distance between a point and a line, or 2 parallel lines. Then make sure you have the 2 points, okay, so that the segment that connects them is going to be perpendicular to the lines. And then you just use a distance formula. Okay, so it's 0 minus 3 over 2 squared plus 2 minus 1/2 squared. And then that way you get 3 over 2 squared is 9 over 4. Then this, which is 3 over 2, is going to be, squared is going to be 9 over 4 again, root 18 over root 4. And then that simplifies to 3 root 2 over 2. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching Educator.com.